Our project consultants are talking to customers all day long. And the main thing that they're trying to do is understand, what does the project look like? What are your visions, and how can we help? And so a typical project consultant day, they may do 2 to 3 appointments for new customers, maybe repeat customers. They may have some time making adjustments to a quote. So sometimes we'll go out and we'll do an estimate, and then your mind will change and we'll have to make changes to it. And so we really believe that the process of buying windows and doors takes some time. It's typically a large investment and not something that you're gonna do just sitting at the kitchen table. And so our project consultants are there to provide advice, listen, and help you make those decisions. And once the decision is made, we're gonna come out and do a precision measurement, double check all the details, get actual measurements that we wanna order. And then from there, we can place the order, and you can be rest assured that everything has been double and triple checked, and you're gonna get what you pay for. And so that day with the project consultant is really going to involve meeting with new customers, helping existing customers in quotes, and following up to finalize your deal. What we like to do is, we have many repeat customers. So we like to assign one project consultant to each project. And so if you do multiple projects with us, typically you're going to talk to the same project consultant. They're gonna know your house, they're gonna know what we did, we're gonna know the colors. So the second time, it's gonna be pretty easy. When a project consultant goes out for an initial consultation, they're gonna spend anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, and it's really driven by how many questions there are, how complex is the project. There's not a preset presentation that is being given. A project consultant is going to sit down, have this face-to-face conversation with you, and try to understand what your needs are, starting with questions like, what color are you thinking about? What are your challenges in the house? What are you looking to achieve? And then we can come up with an idea and make a recommendation and provide a quote to you within 2 business days. The project consultants don't provide any pricing or quoting right there on the site and why we do that is we want them focused on the conversation. We want them listening to the customer, trying to think of ideas, and not so much worry about the pricing. So they take all that information back and they put together a packet and give it to our quote team, who they're experts in configuring the windows and quoting them, and they send those out within 2 business days. And so that's the initial conversation. The project consultant may follow up with the customer to see if there are any changes, any updates, see where they are, if the project is still a priority for them. So throughout the day, you have access to our project consultants, whether it be the in-person consultation, their cell phone. We've got a great text and email capability, so they're readily available to have conversations with and provide the expert advice that you need.